imagine, man, you going your whole life and you practicing and you practicing, then you going through all these processes, you making your family proud and all this shit, and then you get to the NFL or you get to the NBA, and then these niggas just cut you. It took you 15 years of your life practicing and doing all this shit. Then you get to up there, and then it take them 3 minutes to cut your motherfucking ass. Like, it's been niggas that they got a contract and then got their ass cut in the same damn day. Like, imagine that. I played with a nigga at football. We played at Mills. This nigga went all the way up to the Bears and shit. Like, I'm proud of him. But I want to hear his story. I want him to come and tell me and tell us and share with y'all the journey in that shit. You know what I'm saying? How long he was there and what the type of mental state is. That shit gonna be a dope podcast right there. I gotta get O on her, man.